welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Honda Ridgeline, exploring everything from design to performance, technology to practicality, in a way that makes sense whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for a capable everyday vehicle. Let's get started. When you first see the 2026 Ridgeline, it immediately gives off a sense of balance, rugged yet refined. The unibody construction remains, which is rare in the pickup world, and that's a big part of its charm. It drives more like an SUV than a traditional truck, meaning smoother rides, fewer bumps, and better handling on city roads. The overall stance is bold, with a muscular front grille, strong body lines, and a confident yet not overly aggressive look. The dimensions keep it practical, about 210 inches long and 78 inches wide, giving a good mix of road presence and city maneuverability. The truck bed is one of its strongest assets. It's not just a bed, it's a clever storage space. The dual-action tailgate can either drop down or swing open sideways, giving you multiple ways to load and unload. Underneath the bed, you get a lockable in-bed trunk. Waterproof, hidden, and big enough to hold camping gear, tools, or even groceries. These small but smart touches set the Ridgeline apart from traditional pickups. Step inside, and the story gets even better. The cabin feels upscale and comfortable, more SUV than work truck. There's soft touch material throughout, modern styling, and well-placed controls. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, so connecting your phone is easy and cable-free. The seats are supportive and roomy, and the rear seats can be flipped up in a 60-40 split for added storage space underneath. It's a genuinely practical cabin designed for families and adventurers alike. Now, under the hood, Honda sticks to a proven formula. The 3.5-liter V6 engine produces 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and comes standard with all-wheel drive. The result is a confident, composed driving experience with smooth power delivery and reliable performance. Towing capacity sits at 5,000 pounds and payload is around 1,580 pounds. Solid figures for a mid-size pickup. Fuel economy lands around 18 mpg in the city and 24 on the highway, striking a nice balance between performance and efficiency. Driving the Ridgeline feels composed and comfortable thanks to that unibody construction. It corners better than most pickups with less body roll and offers a calm car-like driving experience. The all-wheel drive system uses Torque vectoring to send power to the wheels that need it most, improving grip and stability in all kinds of conditions, from wet highways to mild off-road trails. The suspension tuning focuses more on comfort than hardcore off-roading, but it can handle gravel roads, muddy paths, and light terrain with ease. One of the Ridgeline's standout features is its versatility. It's a truck for people who want utility without sacrificing comfort or style. The in-bed trunk and dual-action tailgate are unique features that no other truck in its class quite matches. Add in Honda's stellar reputation for reliability, and you've got a pickup that's not just practical, it's long-lasting. Design-wise, the 2026 Ridgeline refines its look with sharper LED headlights, updated wheels, and a more sculpted front fascia. The attention to aerodynamics also helps with fuel efficiency and road noise. Inside, you'll find improved insulation that keeps the cabin quieter even at highway speeds. There are, of course, a few trade-offs. The Ridgeline isn't built for extreme off-roading or heavy-duty towing like some competitors. It's more of an all-rounder, a truck designed for real life, not just rugged showdowns. As of now, Honda hasn't introduced a hybrid or electric version for 2026, though rumors suggest future updates could bring more electrification options. In summary, the 2026 Honda Ridgeline is a refined, practical, and intelligent pickup that bridges the gap between rugged capability and everyday usability. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants the flexibility of a truck without giving up comfort, ride quality, or modern technology. It's not the loudest or most aggressive truck on the market, but it might just be the smartest one.